stranded sa island.
Camera.
Okay, para malaman natin kung sino ang mauna. Pwede si R.
Sabi naman.
R, Ryan.
Ryan, bato, pink. Ay!
What's that mean?
What's that?
Scissor? Oh. Bato, pick. Nanalo pa rin kayo. Okay, relax. Melay. And time starts. Now, number 5. Bravo, next. Number 11, hard.
Alam ko yung knife eh. Snake knife.
Second word.
Sniper.
Twist knife. Twist knife, next.
I love you all. I love you all.
Number 12.
Balloon.
White. Boyfriend. Bodyguard.
Bodyguard. I love you all. Bodyguard.
Lifeguard.
Lifeguard.
Bodyguard.
Bodyguard.
Girl. Body.
Body.
Second word.
Body wood.
Body block.
Body wall.
Body light. Body what? Body.
Body paint.
Body.
Body paint.
Body lotion. Body wash.
Bodyguard. I love you, Lord. I love you.
Next.
Dali ah.
Number ay wala kumot. Okay, ang kanilang score ay 3, 6, 7 points. Stress and time starts now. Number 14.
Cellphone, charger,
Passport. English.
passport,
Laptop.
Bible. Bible, next.
Naku.
Number 20.
Oy. Laptop.
Body lotion. Sunblock, next.
Sige.
Number 13.
Kita.
knife, Swiss knife, ripple,
Chainsaw.
sniper,
Swiper.
big knife, sword, Tagalog, Molo,
Samurai.
Lord, help us, Lord. Ano babae?
Mono.
Sounds like,
Sounds like na lang.
Pacho, Machete,
Machete. Next. Hoy, di pa tapos.
ano? Tama ba yun?
Okay, first aid kit. Ang kanilang score ay 3, 6, 9. Kawawa naman, relax. Ibig sabihin, kailangan talaga si Pax. Thank you, Harvard.
Chief Justice sa to. Sorry. Sorry.
Jobit, October 13. Ay, October 13 sa Kaliokete. I love you all. Never gonna. Doon ka na nagkibelo. Bench.
Salahin ko na lang ha. Papadali ko.
Ano ba istoryahin ha?
Huwag mo ka istoryahin, ha? Come on, Art.
Mahilig ako sa basketball.
Babay ito.
Yeah.
Bro. Kasi kapag braka ka, Debbie.
Budget yun.
Debbie.
Babay, di ba yun?
Babalik na kaya. Dali.
Wala na! Okay, maraming salamat ulit kay Mayor Johnny Yap ng Municipality of Malay, Mr. James Yap of Summer Place Bar, The Mall, at higit sa lahat, nako, sana pagbalik namin dyan, nandiyan pa rin kayo, lahat ng staff, ng La Carmela, Kuya Boyet, Francis, Miss Love, Sir Yong, Sir Mon Perez, and Mr. Boy Su! Thank you very much sa attention. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng
Ang programang ito'y inihatid sa inyo ng Safeguard. Rejoice with 50% of hot oil essence.